So we are at the Rose Garden in Portland in Washington Park, and Portland is known as the City of Roses. I didn't know that, but yeah, I have been staying in the northwestern part of the city, and a lot of the homes have beautiful roses in front of them. But yeah, there are so many here. Check it out. And the weather is just perfect. It is nice and cool today. It's been raining the last day, but the sun is out, and I think in the afternoon we are expecting some showers. So hopefully today, before that happens, I can show you all the famous Japanese tea garden.
2 hours later.
So I took Archie back to the van and changed so that I can, enjoy the gardens alone. And I was reading the visitor's pamphlet, and it says that the Japanese ambassador to the US visited the Portland Japanese gardens and said it was the most beautiful Japanese gardens outside of Japan that he's ever seen. That's really cool. There are 5 gardens, and each one has a different theme. So we'll just kind of walk around and take a look at all of them. Okay, so it has started to rain, so I'm gonna go into the cafe and get some tea and a snack. Let's go. So I ordered a rice with shiitake mushroom and nori, and the broth is the tea. So the broth is the green tea, and it doesn't taste like tea. It's really nice. It's very subtle, not too salty. But yeah, it's really good. And then that's the tea. And I can get more hot water for more tea. And then I got the mochi. So cute. One of my favorite directors. Okay, so I think we're gonna go back and see Archie because it's really cold. I thought like coming up to the Pacific Northwest in the summer would be really warm, nice weather, and it has been some days, but it rains quite a bit here. So yeah, we're gonna go back, bundle up, put on the heater, and just rest a little bit. And hopefully the rain would let up so I can take Archie on a longer hike today. Morning. So yeah, I just met up with friends for dinner last night. We had vegan banh mi and buffalo chicken sandwiches and vegan mac and cheese at a nearby bar on the east side. And I woke up this morning and I really wanted to get the Voodoo Donuts and the coffee because Portland is known for its donuts and coffee scene. And I haven't had any for the whole time I've been here so far. So I'm really excited to try them and see if they are worth the hype. I went for the old-fashioned glazed donut at Voodoo Donuts for breakfast, and then I got the Homer donut, the Homer Simpson donut. Okay, let's try the donut. Good. It's very good. It has like that glazed crispiness on the outside and the inside is very soft and moist. It's a little sweeter than I prefer, but the texture and the flavor is on point. Definitely not overrated. I think Voodoo Donuts, at least the old-fashioned glazed, is pretty legit. Portland is also known for its coffee, and this is the first coffee I've had. So I got a decaf Americano. It's really good. Usually decaf can be quite bitter and very bold. It is a bold flavor, but there's no bitterness. It's very smooth and it has a nice flavor. It is crazy how dog-friendly Portland is. We literally took Archie into an H Mart, which is a Korean supermarket that's like all across the US and Canada. Nobody cared. Like Archie and his new friend Puffy were in H Mart and they were like totally fine with it. I love that about this city because I personally don't like leaving Archie behind, like in the car or at home, and so he kind of comes with me everywhere, like if he's allowed. And he was even allowed at the restaurant. Like it was a bar, but they served food and they were totally okay with it, and the customers were totally good with it too. Like they were so excited to see Archie and Puffy, and they came up and like were petting them, and yeah, like it just, everyone here, like when they see a dog, it brings a smile to their face, and it just makes us feel very welcomed, which is really nice. And it's a really nice way to meet people. It's like an easy icebreaker, and just a very low barrier to conversation and making new friends. So I'm really enjoying my time in Portland.
Vietnamese Ice Coffee, ginger lemonade back here, and then out on the floor we have complimentary.
It's amazing. Okay, this sauce that they have, they sell it here, and it is amazing. It is so good. Oh my, I've never had anything like it. So we just finished taking a shower at one of the community centers in Portland, and we are now at Forest Park, which is my favorite park in Portland. It's just a network of tons of trails that's located in the northwestern part of Portland, and we've been here many times already, but it is so beautiful. So we're just gonna go for a walk and just enjoy the beautiful weather we have today. Archie, come. Oh my gosh, he has such selective hearing sometimes, I swear.